Hi, I'm Gisela and I am a bookkeeper who is here to show business owners how to manage their own books. Today's video is going to show you how to sign up for the QuickBooks Online Accountant, and from there how to take the ProAdvisor exam. So please subscribe to my channel and let's get to it. So I'll go ahead and hop on my computer window and show you where you would find the page to sign up for QuickBooks Online Accountant. So I get the question a lot on how to obtain the certification for the QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor, and also where to go and to get all the information to be able to be ready for this exam. So I wanted to go over that. And this is the website that you would go to. The link would be quickbooks.intuit.com/accountants. I'll go ahead and put the link in the details so that you have that available. And this website, it offers a lot of information about the products that QuickBooks offers, training information. There's an unlimited amount of resources that we definitely should take advantage. And a lot of the certifications and training that they offer, for the most part, they're free. So why not? And this is the website. There's a lot of information here, so you can get lost in all this information. And in order to sign up for the QuickBooks Online Accountant, you have to go to this top right-hand corner where it says sign up, and the window will come up where it guides you on how to sign up for the QuickBooks Online Accountant account. So you'll create a username and password, and then you'll hit continue. After creating your username and password for your QuickBooks Online Accountant account, this is the first window that you will see. On here, QuickBooks is just explaining the different packages that QuickBooks Online offers and the different benefits of each. The part that I'm going to go over with you is the training. So you have the option of either hitting training up here, or you can also go to ProAdvisor on the left and hit training. And this is the window where you'll see the different courses. The course that I'm going to go over is the QuickBooks Online Certification, which is the ProAdvisor. Now on my window, since I am certified in the QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor, you see certified, but yours will probably look like it will have this tab, take exam, if you have not taken it yet. Under QuickBooks Online Certification, you'll see the different modules that you would need to review in order to take the exam. And within each module, it just reviews information that you will need to know in order to use QuickBooks. So QuickBooks Online, the QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor is more on how to use QuickBooks Online and how to apply that to your bookkeeping. It's not necessarily going over with you on how to keep your books. You do have to have, I feel like you would have to have a basic knowledge of bookkeeping in order to pass the ProAdvisor exam, because there are a few questions that you would have to have a basic knowledge of bookkeeping in order to understand what they're speaking of. But again, I guess there would be ways on how you would handle that. That would be a personal choice on how you would like to handle that part. These are the different modules that you would need to review in order to pass the exam. And there is also, after passing the QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor, the next option for certification would be the QuickBooks Online Advanced Certification. I personally haven't taken it yet, so that's why you see the button here where it says take exam. That is in the future, so I am working towards that. But again, QuickBooks offers so much training. There's definitely a lot here to soak in. And you see here, you have the option to do self-paced when it comes to your exam, which are the modules that I just reviewed. And also you have webinars. So if any of this would help you in reviewing for this exam. Definitely take advantage of it. In the research I did when I was taking the ProAdvisor exam, I did come across a couple of tips on how to take the ProAdvisor exam and some suggestions that could be helpful I came across were when you are taking the QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor exam, you can bring up two windows, so two tabs, one incognito, which would be the page that you are taking the exam on, and the other tab you can sign into QuickBooks Online, and if there's any questions that you might have or anything that you might need a little more help with, you can go through the training modules, or you can go to the training module that corresponds to that question to see if you can find the answer that way. Also, the QuickBooks Online accountant exam is more towards using QuickBooks Online and how to apply it to your bookkeeping. So I would suggest that you do need to have some type of bookkeeping basics, because there are some questions that do touch on bookkeeping itself, but for the majority, I felt that it was more applying QuickBooks Online and learning how to use QuickBooks Online. Another tip that I came across, take the modules. Definitely take the modules that are offered within QuickBooks Online. It's basically on how to use QuickBooks Online. So there will be some things that are not coming from your knowledge of bookkeeping, but it's going to be more of how to find a window in QuickBooks Online, or how to enter or how to add a chart of accounts, those type of things. So it is something that you will have to review through their training. Definitely take the modules. I know it's going to take a while, but it is definitely going to be worth it. Also, another tip that I came across was you can take the exam part that corresponds to each module. So as you finish each module, take the corresponding exam. You do have to submit the full exam completed. You cannot submit the exam after each module, but you can take each module exam as soon as you're done with the corresponding module. So definitely take advantage of that. And you do have 3 chances to pass the exam before you do have to, and if you don't pass them after those 3 months, you do have to wait a couple of months. So definitely take advantage of all the resources that are offered and apply the tips that I went through in this video, and they definitely will help a lot. So I hope that you found the video very knowledgeable. I hope that you found that it did help you out in your research to take the ProAdvisor exam. So definitely hit a like and let me know what you would like to see next.